The Jordan 11 as a shoe is just okay. Whoa. 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 Holy shit, bro. Alright, so I'm thinking of making a new series, but I haven't necessarily thought of a name. I think I'm gonna go with the name Unlaced. Sounds kind of trash. But right now, we gonna mess with Unlaced. So, in the very first episode of Unlaced, I went on my Instagram and Twitter, and I told you guys to send me your sneaker arguments, your sneaker discussions, your sneaker hot takes, and your sneaker opinions. Send them to me on Instagram, so I asked you guys to send those to me, and the Instagram and the Twitter is at @ChrisBriggs and at @ChrisBriggs2. Most people don't even really like shoes. They just wear or buy certain things to fit in. This is facts. This is complete facts. The majority of mankind doesn't follow what they really like. The majority of mankind literally buys what they buy just to fit in. Buying things specifically to fit into people is just going to cost you money at the end of the day, because you think that people really care what you got on when they really don't. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, the majority of the sneaker game today, it's just about what's hype. Like, if I walk out the crib in some Iverson Answer 5s, nobody's gonna really care about that. They're gonna look at me like I'm weird. But if I walk out the house in some off-white ones, they're gonna be all on my dick. They're gonna be all on me like, oh my gosh, those shoes are fire. You feel me? So yes, I agree completely. Jordan 1s are way too overhyped when compared to other Jordans. You got a point. When it comes to other Jordans, like let's just say a 5 or maybe even a 7, those don't nearly get as much play when it comes to a Jordan 1. If any Air Jordan 1 high colorway comes out that involves any type of red and black color scheme, you can bet your bumble that them bad boys is about to move and them bad boys is about to sell out real quick. They are way overhyped, but I don't know. It's a nice shoe. The reason why it's overhyped, the reason why it's so sought after is just because the shoe is so easy to wear. It's so easy to throw on, and you could just beat that motherfucker up and it'll just be good, you feel me? Buying shoes secondhand is better because it's cheaper and more justifiable to wear. I can't get with this one, bro. I used to buy sneakers secondhand. That's because the funds was low to buy sneakers. I'd rather buy a brand new pair of kicks, bro. You see, there's so many diseases and viruses going out today. You never know what somebody did in those shoes. Somebody could have took a shit in the shoes that you're wearing, but you'll never know. They could have had them things on their feet while they was taking a big shit. But now you got them on your feet and you cleaning them up, making them all pristine. I'll pass. I like my shoes to be as close to dead stock as possible. If I can't get them as close to dead stock as possible, I'm gonna pass on those. Reselling is terrible for the community. I don't think reselling is terrible for the community because reselling actually kind of drives the hype. Let's just say there were no resellers at all. If there weren't any resellers at all, bro, and everybody's able to get the sneakers that they want to get, the sneaker game is gonna die because everybody's able to get the shoes, you feel me? And also, when it comes to resellers, right, anybody could be a reseller. You just have to learn the game. Anybody can make money off of sneakers. Anybody. You just have to learn how the market works. I don't think reselling is terrible for the community at all, like I used to. I used to think that reselling was trash. But listen, I feel like if there's any way that you can get your money in this cold world, you do that. Anybody can get any sneaker they want to get. You just have to do your due diligence. A lot of people don't do their due diligence with these sneakers and just think that they could just walk up into the store and get any sneaker that they want on release day. It just doesn't work like that, bro. Men wearing some women's shoes because of the fire colorways. I think that that's fine. I think that men should be able to wear women's sneakers because of the fire colorways. Let's keep it real, bro. A lot of pink Jordans don't come out for men. There are some pink Jordans that come, like the mushroom 4s, those tan 4s that came out. Listen, those are pretty hard. If I'm a guy and I wear and I want to buy those, I should be able to get those too. Or like Vapor Maxes. There's a lot of girly colorway Vapor Maxes that are hard. I'd throw those on my feet without question. I'd throw those bad boys on in an instant. Yes, I have no problem with men buying women's colorways because they look dope. Like, a lot of women's sneakers are like better than the men's kicks because a lot of the women's sneakers have like more colors going on. Feel what I mean? OVO Jordans are still underrated in my opinion. I honestly don't think that OVO Jordans are underrated at all. I don't think that they're overrated at all either. I feel like they're just naturally rated. I feel like that's still a generally hyped shoe. Whenever those shoes come out, those shoes don't sit at all. You never hear about OVO Jordan sitting. When those 8s came out, those 8s didn't sit. Those 8s weren't easy to get. When those 10s came out, those 10s didn't sit. The resale might have not been in the thousands like an off-white sneaker was, but that sneaker wasn't easy to get at all. You still had to be on your due diligence when it came to getting that sneaker. I think that it is just a perfectly rated sneaker. As far as the colorways and the models, I think that the colorways are fine. You haven't really seen any model other than like a black and gold or like a white and gold. I feel like what they really need to do is just put out more colorways before we can really like give a real opinion on that. Mids are good. He's referring to the Air Jordan 1 mids. Mids are good, bro. Mids are cool, lows are cool, and the highs are cool. The reason why people don't mess with the mids is because they're not as hyped up as the highs are. Let's keep it real. Before the highs even came back, everybody was wearing the mids. The only reason why people don't wear the mids is because the highs are the ones that are more sought after. The mids have fire colorways. Yes, the mids definitely have fire colorways. Like the Rivals, that's a fire colorway for the mids. You know, the court purple mids, those are fire too. The shattered backboard mids, those are straight. The lows have some nice ones too. The court purple lows, the shattered backboard lows, those are cool. The pine green lows, those are solid too. A lot of people sleep on mids, and a lot of people sleep on mids due to hype purposes, bro. I don't understand why people do it. I understand that. A lot of people just do it because they want to fit in. That is why. They want to wear the hottest sneakers, and a lot of people don't think that mids are hot. I think that mids are fire. You feel me? There's these pair of black, gray, and like satin mids. I think those are fire. The Jordan 11 as a shoe is just okay. Whoa. 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 Holy shit, bro. The Jordan 11 as a sneaker is just okay. Honestly, I think that sneaker is fire. You feel me? A lot of people, I have heard some people say that, oh, it's just a hyped up shoe and the colorways are ugly, but hold on. Let me goddamn tell you something real quick. Let me show you something real quick. You feel me? Because, hey. These hoes right here, nigga, ain't just okay. What the fuck? What are we even talking about? What the hell are we eating? Oh, these things right here is not just okay. These shits is hard. What? The all over patent leather around these hoes? The goddamn, what are you talking about? These still dead stock, nigga. Still dead stock. These right here is hard. Big disagree. Big fat disagree. You telling me if you had a chance to get some fresh ass Bread 11s, you wouldn't get these? You know damn well you get these. Why? Because this shit is hard. These shits is fire. The goddamn red, the red bottoms on these bad boys, the red translucent bottoms, that carbon fiber shank plate. Oh yeah, I'm sorry my guy, you're tripping. Dior J's are trash. I agree, bro. Them shits is garbage. I can't even cap. I think that the Dior J's are, I'm not even gonna sit here and agree all the way to where you're saying that they're trash. I don't think that they're trash all the way. I for sure feel like they're overhyped and overrated. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not really into the luxury side of things. I don't really give a fuck about luxury. I don't care. Like I said, bro, I just want me a Nike suit. Put me in a Nike suit, or let me wear whatever types of fits I want to wear, and I'm straight. I don't really care about the luxury side of things. I honestly think that luxury clothes in themselves is kind of whack. It's all trash to me. It's kind of trash. Oh, I'm gonna spend all this money just to like look like a fucking billboard. I'll pass. You know what I mean? As far as the Dior J's, like the Dior ones, I think the Dior ones, it's a straight sneaker. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That light blue is cool with the silver and gray, and then the Dior swoosh it's a different look. I really like the Air Dior on the tongue and the Air Dior on the wings logo too. That's cool. As far as trash, I don't think that they're trash, but are they overhyped and are they overpriced? Big time. Hell yes, they are overpriced and overhyped. $2,000, bro. I take that $2,000. and put them things in the bank. Somebody, a homie in the comment section said that he predicts that instead of the sneaker reselling for about $5,000, $10,000, he thinks that that sneaker is honestly just going to end up reselling at like $2,500. That's a bold prediction, but honestly, I don't think that shoe is that dope, so he might not be wrong.